Ito from the side. Bakay na using the block. Inbounding number 14 to number 24, Paraiso. Dribbling ball, number Stevie. Pass to number 14, comes from the 3-point territory. No ball. High rebound number 7, pass to number 3. Number 10 to Ito from the side. Bakay na using the blast. Basket 3 points. Number 14 cross the swing court. Number 7. Pingaras by number 7. Shoot number 8. Ibalaw to number 28. 8 to shoot. Shot clock release. Napot ang bola kay Martayga. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Using the blast. Lumabas. Agawa Boko. Napot na kayo sa number 14. That was to number 28. Agana. More. Number 7. Pass to number 14. Hey! Bola ball. Nice to the bull. Sayang. According to Gallardo number 7. Turnover design. Inbounding number 14 to number 20. Back to number 14. Iyanga. Slowly breaking. Bigars by number 7. Sudi Malaon. Signaling the break. To number 24 from the center. Bounce basket. 2 points. Contributing. Score is number 3 to number 7. Number 13. Number 76. Wala pa rin. Toyso. Number na kay number 23. Muntik na kasunod. Number 23. Number 7 player of the business. Kaso number 20. Kaganan. 2. Number 3 to number Yanga. Hesitation. Ito shoot. Di wala. Hesitation na kumula. Number na kay number 3 to number 9. Tingnan natin anong mangyayari. Walang bantay. Bang! Basket. Di wala ni Pauli number 8. 2. Number 14, Yanga number 8, but there's a whistle. Watson is free. Foul number 7, illegal use of hand. Solo. We acknowledge the manager of Kiki, the best friend. With Campo, happy viewing. Setelah number 3, Martayga, Bigars by number 8. Number 3 to number 7, to number 10. Number 10, Luna! Kapamilya ni Juan Luna. Hindi pumasok, nago ngayon ni Malaon. 2. Aga na, number 20. Aga na. Anong mangyayari? Wala. Foul lang. 76. First room, wala. So, team foul, Uson. First team foul, first personal foul. So, it's a referee. Number 76 out. Binaro, number 11 coming in. Okay, goal is alive. Inbounding number 13 to number 3. Lead 0, same number. Number 23, Tyler rebound. Being asked by number 7. What's that? Turn over symbol. Top swung by White jersey. Nagpa-reserve po sa hindi. Number 11, Binaro. Siya ang tini mo, napunta ko lang kay number 10. Number 10, Luna. Apo ini ni Juan Luna. Number 3, Martayga. Ibinigade, pass. Take the shoot! Ay, nalaw ka wala pula sa kanya. Napunta kay number 14, Yanga. To number 20. Sa ilalim, sulong-sulong. Ba? Kunin sa live po. Basket. Number 14. Oh. Okay, voting sa coach. Kung matay mo po ka magpa-reserve lang. Time out! Time out, Uso. 6 minutes and 5 seconds remaining more to play. Lusanta, number 7, paso number 11, Binaro from 3 points territory, wala. Highlight rebound number 20, Puhol, paso number 14, number 14, number 6 Unicorn, Bigals by number 3, paso number 3, Brother Puhol, attempt 3 points territory, wala. Agawan Bogo, number na ngayon ang Bulacan. Intercepted by number 3, Puhol, 2 number 14, Yanga, 2 number 12, from side, lost the ball, recovered by number 9, sayang naman. Set ball. Yan pa rin ang bola, sabi na ating referee. Tingnan natin, ano kayo mangyayari. Ayun, agawan Bogo, napunta na ngayon number 29, Jimenez to number 1, Lusanta, using the glass, wala, agawan. Jimenez na may awang na bola, number 29, basket. Foul counted, basket, foul number 12. Bonus. Number 7, out. Number 25, pati down. Coming in. First personal foul number 12, Agadan from Shuttle. In first, basket 3 points, count. Contributing by Jimenez. Pinsan ko ito ni Joyce Jimenez. Yanga number 14. 2 ni Malaon. 2 number 14 Yanga. 2 cross pass to number 10. 10 to shoot. Number 8, di Malaon, attempt straight by territory. Wala. Shot clock release. Dapat na kayo kay Jimenez to number 25. Kita daw. Patin daw. Jimenez, number 7 to number 25. Patin daw. To number 1, Lusanta. Lusanta ngayon. Bigas by number 8. Take to shoot. Number 29, Province. Kagawa na po rin kayo niya number 14. Yay! Pass to our viewers. Malaw number 8 out. Number 2, Cornell coming in. Sino mo? Yama number 14 out. Then replaced by number 14, Gary. Okay. Emily number 25, pati daw to number 1. Number 1, Lusanta. Slowly repeat crossing streaming court. Rigaras by number 13, Gary. Paso Binaro from the points territory. Binaro. Tingnan natin ano kaya mangyari, anong gagawin ng shuttle tape. Number 2 to number 20. Visit ni shot, paso number 1, agawan. Dapat na kayo number 3, Puhol, brother, the big back. To brother, number 10 sila, left back. Rebounding it by number 1 Lusanta. Ano mangyayari? Using the glass basket. It's a nice combination by Lusanta and number 3. Number 3, Puhol, the big back. Basket. Babawi. Kala nyo ha, sabi ng Central Team, hindi kami pahuhuli. Tingnan natin. Bumalik na sa kukunan ng Uso number 25, patin daw. Take to shoot. Number 11, Binaro. Number 1. Ay, to shoot. Basa na kasunod niya. Number 25, patin. Using the glass, wala. Yun. That's wow. Foul number 11. Illegal use of hand. Sino po? Number 11 foul. Jimenez out. Number 14, Dooley coming in. Jimenez third personal foul. Now 3 team fouls. Sorry, 3 team foul. Number 3, Pohol. So brother number 3, team Pohol. So number 10 representative to number 15, Obas. Yay, sarap. Tayo naglalarang Obas sa gitna ng ating court. Kala ko pinipitas lang yan. Ang galing pala magpa-shoot. Big to shoot. Intercepted by number 24 to number 30, area na mangyayari using the glass basket. 2 points contributed by Gary. Number 3 to number 1, Lusanta. victory record being honest by number 30, Nearly. Dominance in Turkey, remaining time. Lusan tayo bawal to number 25. Patinaw to number 1, Lusan tayo. Sige, last pass, hit! Akala nyo, ang ganda ng kombinasyon, sabi nila, kayo lang, kami rin. Number 8, 15, yo, pass! Wow. Ayan ay kami. Foul number 25, Patinaw. Luna, very pleased by number 3, Marcaida, Senatawi. Benaro, very pleased by number 20. Pohola. Okay. First two basket. Nothing but it. Happy viewing po kay Sir Christopher Bumina and Engineer Michael James Masama ng DMCI. Good evening po sa iyong kanan. Tayo warat tail pongkol, warat torik, warat kasihan. Kalau namin jadi yan, ang ganda ng kombinasyon ba ng ala, para ito, bayaw sa Mopiksi. Opas is going. Lusan na number 1. Number 20 to number 3, bingas by number 1. Nere, ayaw pawat. Anong mangyayari? Nabot na kayo? Ay, ano yan? Patinaw, Alegri, number 6. Kami. Sino? Number 14, tuling out. Number 20, Noibo, coming in. Number 1, Lusan, that's who Alegri, number 6. The varsity player of Bakataynga National High School. Alegri. Then to shoot, number 20, Noibo. He's in the shot, number 1. Wala pa rin. 5 to shoot. Shot clock receive. Number 20, high rebound, number 1, Lusan, number 1 side. Bingaras by Tay. Akala ko wala na. Yung pa rin. Pasok pa rin. Iba na. Ang pagaling. Number 20, to number 20, Pohol. Ay! Tumama sa paa. Coach, ayaw na po paglagpas natin sa panalo. 9. 1 minute and 7 seconds remaining for the play. Yan, intercepted by number 3 to number 14. To number 1, Lusanta. To Alegre. To number 20. Ang kanilang pasar, wala na lang pasok. Ayan na, nabing pa, 72. Yosef Bali, Yosef Tikas, wala. Agawan, Alegre, number na pula. Number 6, tingnan natin. Bumabaybay sa gitna ng ball, wala. Number 3, Marcaida, high rebound. From 3 points territory. Marcaida, 3 points. 30 seconds remaining for the play. Involving number 15 to number 30. Bingaras by Alegre. Number 20 ngayon Pohol. Bombs from Battery Services sa Paul Visit. By number 1, Lusanta. How many foul for Lusanta? Second personal foul, Lusanta. Red flag is up, Mr. Referee. Agawan, nakita kay number 6, 1 out of 2. Tensigas, base na kasunod yan. Abangan. Ikina, base na